Hey, I'm back with a real interesting alternative therapy for allergies. I think it's really beneficial. If you have allergies, you might want to consider this. And of course, I would always recommend healthy keto and intermittent fasting because that just might handle your allergies right there. But for those people that have some serious allergies that are just not getting help, you may want to do some research into low dose allergen immunotherapy, LDA. I'll put a link down below and you can check it out. I mean, it has like a 91% success rate. Not 100%, but pretty close. It's good for hay fever, dust mites, sinusitis, asthma, hives, chemical sensitivities, certain symptoms with autoimmune, ADHD, autism, IBS, migraine headaches, eczema, psoriasis. So it's used for a lot of different things. And so what they do is they take a wide variety of the things you're allergic to, okay, in extreme low doses. Okay, so I'm talking like 1 part per 10 million or 1 part per 1 quadrillion. So it's very similar to homeopathy. Then they actually inject it underneath the skin, not into a blood vessel, but right underneath the skin. But here's the secret sauce. They add something called enzyme beta glucuronidase. Okay, this enzyme is the key to the whole thing. It basically tells the immune system to ignore the allergens. So I really like this strategy. There seems to be very low side effects, and this enzyme is pretty natural, and it's working with the immune system. It's not suppressing the immune system. So click the link below and check it out and see if it can help you. So if you're enjoying this content, go ahead and share it with someone that could really benefit from it.